Hey, Kharisma here. Welcome back. In my previous two videos, I talked about the 7 laws of attraction, and I also talked about the law of attraction. Now today, I'm going to talk about the other 11 laws that govern this universe. So there are 12 universal laws, and which one that you're very familiar with, which is the law of attraction. And then within the law of attraction, there are 7 laws that make that up. And now today I'm going to be talking about the 11 other laws that govern this universe, that God has put into place to govern this universe. And you may be aware of them or you may not be aware, but today I'm going to shed light on them, briefly shed light on what these laws are called, what do they do, what are their function, what are their role in how they show up in our lives and how they govern this universe. All right, let's jump in right in it. We got 11 laws to talk about today. All right, number 1 is the law of divine oneness. The law of divine oneness, it's all about that we are one. We are all connected. We are one. And when something is done to one, it's done to you, it's done to me on some level because we are one. And this is the law. It's a law called the law of oneness, which means that there's no separation, there's no division, even though that we think that, we're different and maybe how we look and maybe our culture, the way we've been raised, our beliefs and so on, but at the core of who we are one. Number 2, the law of vibration. Now, everything has a vibrational frequency. We are energy. Everything around us is energy, but in a different form that we can actually see, touch, sometimes smell. But everything has a vibrational frequency. The chair I'm sitting on, the chair you may be sitting on, or the bed you may be laying at night, whatever that thing is, the car that you drive, every single thing and every single person has a vibrational energy, the vibrational frequency. Everything has vibration. Number 3, the law of correspondence, which is all talking about patterns. There's patterns everywhere. So look in your life and see the patterns that are happening in your life and notice how they repeat elsewhere in the world. Everything is a pattern. Look for it. Let me know in the comments below. Number 4, the law of inspired action. And the law of inspired action is all about when we take that action that is in truly alignment to who we are and what we desire and what's good, what's right for us, then we are guided on a path that's for our highest good, right? But you always have to tap in and ask God, deep inside, what is the right action to take? What is that inspired action that I should take next? Whether that's to show up to your audience, as to whether that's to manifest more money, attract more clients, whatever that thing is, always ask for guidance on your next inspired action. Number 5, the law of perpetual transmutation energy. That law states that everything around us is always in constant flux. This is important when it comes for you to understand that everything that you do, how you can trigger impact and change to other aspects of your life. So for example, when you start working out, right, you want to getting fit, you want to be healthy, that action, because of this law, can actually influence another aspect of your life. Number 6, the law of cause and effect, which is clear what that is, right? The law of cause and effects tells you that for every action, there is a correspondent reaction. So when you do good, there's a positive effect. Negative action, negative reaction. The 8th law of the universe is the law of relativity. The law of relativity is all about the neutrality of things when in isolation. For example, You may think that you are poor in relation to your three uncles who are wealthy. So that's how the law of relativity, everything is always relative to something else. Number 9, the law of polarity. Remember that everything always have an opposite. So there's up, the opposite is down. Black, white. Soft, hard. Good, bad. Happy, angry, or sad. So there's always an opposite to things around us or how we feel. Number 10 is all about the law of rhythm. Everything around us in this universe, in our lives, there is a rhythm. There's an ebb and flow. There is a season. You know, the Bible talks about there's seasons. There's a season to be born, a season to die, a season to cry, a season to laugh. And everything, there's always rhythm, ebb and flow. And it's important to understand what your rhythm, the rhythm in your life is, or maybe the rhythm in your business, because everything has a rhythm. So take time to know what your rhythm or the rhythms that are operating and occurring in your life and in your business. Finally, number 11, the law of gender. And this has nothing to do with female or male. This has to do with energy, masculine energy, feminine energy. We have both. As a woman, I have both masculine and feminine energy. Men have both as well. Every single living being has both type of energy. The masculine and the masculine and the feminine energy. And in these states of energies, in the law of gender, they allow certain things to occur. When you're in the flow of your masculine energy, there's more of, working hard and hustle and getting things done and really go, action, more strategy. Now, in the feminine state or energy, it's more about flow and being in your spiritual, really tapping into the spiritual side of who you are, really fun and ease and just flow and peace and stillness. That is the opposite as opposed to masculine. So I hope that these 11 other laws of the universe has shed some light to you if you weren't aware of them and giving you an aha moment. Now, to recap, the 11 other laws besides the law of attraction, the first law that I spoke about was the law of divine oneness. Number 2 was the law of vibration. Number 3, the law of correspondence. Number 4, the law of inspired action. Number 5, the law of perpetual transmutation energy. Number 6, the law of cause and effect. Number 7, the law of compensation. Number 8, the law of relativity. Number 9, the law of polarity. Number 10, the law of rhythm. And number 11, the law of gender. I hope that you've found this video of value. Do share it with your community and anyone that you think would need this information. And if you found it of value, please hit the like button, subscribe to this family if you haven't joined yet, and let me know in the comments below if you were aware of these laws and how you are actively and consciously applying them and using them in your life and in your business. Now, if you need further support, I would love for you to join me in the Dare to Be Iconic Club. The link is below in the description. And I'd love to see you on the inside. Remember, until next time, dare to be iconic in business and life. Bye for now.